Hello everyone, this is Deniz Devin from Istanbul, Turkey, reporting you the weekly news. Well, here we are, another week has passed, things are going great, and before we begin, legal disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not give you financial advices. If you are planning to invest in cryptocurrencies, then you should do your own due diligence and be very careful because crypto markets are highly volatile and you do not want to lose your hard earned money. With that being said, let's begin. So, Atari enters Decentraland to build a gaming district. Not financial advice, but I show me your decentralized virtual world projects because I'm really into them. Ethereum Berlin is due April 14th, 2021. Argo blockchain has bought 320-acre land in Texas to build its mining farm. German private bank Donner and Royal to offer cryptocurrency trading and custody services. Deutsche Börse Xetra Market to list Ethereum exchange-traded product. 1,000 of Canada's first BTC credit card, Bitcoin backed by FD7 Ventures, will start shipping by June 2021. Soros Morgan Stanley invest $200 million in NYDIG. Before we continue, I just want to quickly check whether my microphone is working or not. It is working flawlessly. That's great. And Ripple and MoneyGram cancels their partnership. Okay, so what else? Switzerland's largest department store chain Manor debuts Bitcoin gift cards. Korean cryptocurrency exchange Bithumb is enhancing its anti-money laundering measures by restricting accounts that are registered in financial action task forces, increased monitoring country list, and that list includes Albania, Bahamas, Barbados, Botswana, Cambodia, Ghana, Iceland, Jamaica, Mauritius, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nicaragua, Pakistan, Panama, Syria, Uganda, Yemen, and Zimbabwe. And according to a report by Bloomberg, and on a Nasdaq private auction market last week, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has reportedly traded for a price between 350 to 375 US dollars per share, scaling up the pre-IPO valuation to between 90 billion and 100 billion US dollars. Southeast Asia's first Bitcoin fund, BGBFI, has officially launched. Crypto investment company BlockTower Capital launches a $25 million fund for DeFi projects. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey will donate the money from his recently sold first tweet NFT to a non-profit organization called Give Directly. Wirex launches debit card in UK and EEA supporting 18 crypto and traditional currencies. DeFi platform Dodo is hacked for $3.8 million worth of tokens. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin says rollups will scale the network by a factor of 100. About 500 people's email addresses were used to sign up for BlockFi accounts only to receive racist confirmation emails. Garlinghouse states that Ripple has ended their lawsuit against YouTube. Ethereum miners allegedly bypass NVIDIA RTX 3060 hash limits. According to data from CoinATM Radar, Bitcoin ATM numbers rose by 177% since last year. Grayscale Investments parent company Digital Currency Group is planning to buy $250 million of GBTC shares. New Zealand's first legal CBDC has launched. The U.S. House of Representatives passed the $1.9 trillion bill to Biden. to sign. Yeah. CoinShares started trading on Nasdaq Nordic. Share rose by 30% on the first day. European Central Bank accelerates 1.85 trillion euros PEPP stimulus. Former US Senator and China Ambassador Maxwell Baucus joins Binance as regulatory advisor. Binance CEO CZ said that they are not planning for an IPO right now because they are growing healthily and organically. And that's what he said. Jamaica plans to launch CBDC in 2022. Peter Schiff's son goes all in on Bitcoin. That calls him brainwashed. The Bank of Communications in China Construction Bank pilots digital yuan at department stores in Shanghai. Tether and Solana integration is now live. Bank of Russia plans to pilot digital ruble tests in late 2021. Beeple NFT sold for 69.3 million US dollars. BlockFi raises 350 and Falcon raises $50 million in a funding round. 350 million, obviously 350 million US dollars for BlockFi. $725 million worth of Flow tokens are staked on Kraken Exchange. Beeple tells that NFTs are in a bubble. Australia allocates 5.3 million to blockchain regulation. Associated Press NFT sells for 180k US dollars. MicroStrategy acquires 15 million worth of more Bitcoin. Binance Pay launches merchant features. SBI offers stakeholders XRP as a second-year benefit. CFTC reportedly investigates Binance, and China's five-year policy plan mentions Bitcoin. That is great. Okay, and today's news: Bitcoin seeks an all-time high again. This time topping above 61,590 US dollars. Incredible. And that was all for this week's news. And let me share my screen with you so we can check the weekly price action together. Okay, sharing my screen now. I hope the sound is good. So, Bitcoin is up 22.1% this week. Incredible. Currently being at 60,207 US dollars. And this week's winner is obviously Chiliz. Chiliz is the highest gainer in the top 100 list with a 491.9% weekly profit. Incredible. And Sean is here. Hey, Sean. Thank you very much for joining. Thanks a lot, man. And okay, where have we left? All right. Nem is the highest loser in the top 100 list with a 53.5% weekly loss. And that was it for this week. Chiliz was great. I wish I had put more in it. Well, I did not have any Chiliz, but the thing is, what do you call that in English? My uncle had never invested in his life, and 2.5 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, he asked me to where to start about cryptocurrencies because just a huge craze going on, and he wants in. He wants to catch the train, and he asked me how can I open an account in several exchanges, and I taught him how to do that. And he tenfolded his money under 3 weeks. It's freaking I mean, and he did it by mostly trading chilies, not financial advice. I mean, I never bought chilies. I could have, because the moment Binance invested in them, I saw it. I could have bought some for me, but did Binance bought chilies? No. I'm sorry. That's something wrong. That's something else. What? Oh, okay, I missed the tokens. What did Binance invest in or acquire? Okay, I really don't remember. But as you know, I am checking the news every day to present it to you. So I had an idea where chilies might have gone, but I didn't have the guts to buy. Yeah, what my uncle did was awesome. I mean, his initial investment was like 400 Turkish liras, which is something around $50 or something like that, I guess. $50, $60, something like that, or maybe $70. So it's really not a big amount, but he had made a return that I never had in such a time. Beginner's luck, or I don't know, his genius. I really don't know. Oh yeah. Yeah, you told me, and you, Sean, you sold chilies. What it was at 70 cents or something like that. You told me you on your live stream. Oh, that for those who do not know Sean, he has a YouTube channel. We have a Telegram channel. I mean, they have it, but it's a community, so it's ours. It is great. I highly advise all of my audience to go check Sean's channel. It's Satoshi Sean. You can see his name. And Kif's Crypto. Keep it freaking, let's say, simple crypto. So you have to check both channels, and the Telegram links are probably in the description of their videos. Yeah, he sold at 79 cents. I mean, I would, if I had invested in that before, I would probably have cashed out at that level as well. Let me share my screen again with you so we can check the current. Oh, okay, the price of chilies. It's 67 cents. Yeah, quite a correction here. I don't like this chart. TradingView was always better. This is our channel. Okay. So yeah, chilies almost topped over 45 cents almost, or maybe it did somewhat on some exchanges. But yeah, I mean, as far as I know, chilies is the winner of this run, of this bull market. I don't know. Let's see where this goes. Okay, we are in a no man's land. I do not know where the prices will go. I have guesses, but we'll see. This is experimental for me as well. So thank you all for tuning in. Thank you very much, Sean, for joining. And yeah, that is it for this week. I will see you tomorrow on the Daily News. And take care. Have a nice week. And let's not forget, one Bitcoin is one Bitcoin. And one Satoshi will always be one Satoshi. Bye.